KT man, KT man. Let's get this going, man. Let's get this going, man. Hey, fuck all of you haters, fuck all you trolls, fuck all the people who wish bad on me. You know what? I'll come back on you, man. Come back on you. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Yo. KT. Let's go. Listen. Yo.
Breaking the law, love taking risks. Popping the clutch, I'm taking a piss. So many times I've nearly been ripped. Let me tell you how my day went. I linked up with KP, wheels on a badness. Cutting through the lanes and it nearly got tragic. Cause my plate just flew off. Bros at the back and his head nearly really got blew off. Most of the time that's unpredictable things that happen. I told bro don't worry, that's a part of the pattern. In a Bikelife ting, no game, no jokes. You could end up with your bones all broke. 6 feet deep, that's your body all cold. But now everyone knows you. Pull up to the place where you crashed and died. Yeah. Now the strangers burning out rubber, saying RP my brother. And it makes me sick how some man say I look he about to fuck up. And I know that they wishing I was broke up. I'm still out here just sliding, riding. I've been ducking and diving, tried it. I didn't even know why they hate. Most of the haters talk to the J's. Why do you think I cover my face and I ride no plate? No face, no case. Let me just separate the real from the fakes. On my bike I'm setting that pace. I just came from Ace, but now I'm in the studio smoking on a blunt that's straight to the face. I'm off my face, but I'm still gonna hit up the A4E, then rip out the place. Fuck with the Instagram trolls and haters. If I ever bucked up with you in person, I'll beat off your face with my right hand. Now you're looking like you caught a tan, make man disappear like Madeleine McCann. If you don't know me, then know that I can. Last time that I crashed my bike, I was laying in a hospital bed, and I should have been dead. Why is the monitor straight to my chest? Even the doctor said that you're blessed. I didn't bring no bones that day and I was sipping on Ray. Know they can smell my breath from a mile away. And the nurse is sexy, she's looking in my face, thinking how the fuck did he walk away? Breaking the law, I love taking risks. Popping the clutch, I'm taking a piss. I'm breaking the law, I love taking risks. If I'm popping the clutch, I'm taking a piss. So many times I've nearly been ripped. Breaking the law, I love taking risks. If I pop in the clutch, I'm taking a piss. I'm on a late night lurk, just pop me a perp and I'm filling up petrol over the brim. My dress code's all in black at the petrol station. No registration, breaking the law, I don't follow no rules and I call that regulation. And the thoughts I'm thinking's more than mad. Yeah, you think I'm tapped, best go with your gut. For the things I've seen and done, if I opened up, you'll say I need therapy. On the MT10, just twist and rip is the remedy. For the coolness that man's feeling, looking in the mirror and I see me a demon. Everyone acts and chats, you don't stand in my shoes, so allow the preaching. In the night, no sleeping, tossing and turning. If I ever get rest, it's the maddest of dreaming. Seeing my death, I'm waking up and I'm dripping sweat. For the things I regret.
Yeah.